Hey everyone, welcome to NIIT's YouTube channel. Before we even begin, I want to tell you something important. So, after numerous requests that we got from you, NIIT is glad to announce that we are launching a fully fleshed high value course and to begin with, a full course on generative AI on this particular channel. So, if you've ever felt like AI is moving too fast or that you might get left behind, this course is your chance to catch up, stay ahead, and actually build a real career in the space. Because, let's be honest, AI is no longer optional. It's becoming the default skill every student, fresher, and a working professional needs. So, this video is basically the appetizer, the starter pack, or a peek into the fast growing world of Gen AI and how it's changing the world around us, and why and how you should ride along the wave to stay relevant. And if you like this appetizer, we have prepared a whole buffet, an entire YouTube playlist with detailed explainers of Gen AI concepts, tools, and hands on tutorials. Also, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this course can transform the next 1-2 years of your career, regardless of where you are right now. So let's get started. Alright, so before we jump into the field of generative AI, let me answer the most important question first. So, what can you actually do with Gen AI? Like, realistically, what careers can this lead to? And where will you stand if you follow the full NIIT Gen AI playlist that we are launching? So, let's break that down. Because whether you're a student, a fresher, a working professional, or someone planning a career switch, Gen AI is creating new job roles faster than any other technology in the last decade. So, before diving into the technical stuff, let's talk about opportunities first. So, right now, companies are not just hiring developers, they're hiring people who know how to work with AI tools. So, if you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, GitHub Copilot, Midjourney, or even automation tools like NIIT and Zapier, companies already see you as 10 times more productive. And here are the top job roles that are exploding right now in the field of generative AI. So first we have AI prompt engineer, then we have AI assisted developer, then we have AI trainer and Gen AI content specialist. Then we also have AI product analyst, and last but not the least, we have AI workflow automation specialist. Now, the big question is, if I start learning GenAI today, where will I be in the next 2 years? So, here's your practical, realistic roadmap based on the tutorials that we are launching. So, with our tutorials, in the year 0 to 1, you can apply for roles like AI assisted developer, prompt engineer associate, AI research and content assistant, automation support engineer, and junior AI solution engineer. This stage is all about becoming fast and smart using AI tools. And after that, in the year 1 to 2, after completing the deeper tutorials in this playlist like advanced prompting, full stack app building, and AI workflow automation, you enter the specialization range. Now you can aim for roles like AI automation engineer, Gen AI solutions engineer, AI product analyst, AI integration developer, AI augmented full stack developer, and companies expect you to build apps that are 2 to 3 times faster, automate end-to-end workflows, integrate ChatGPT APIs or AI features, use AI to solve complex coding problems, and this is where you start becoming a Gen AI power user. And then after the year 2 plus, finally with enough practice plus everything you learn from the NIIT playlist, you can move into the advanced Gen AI roles like prompt engineering specialist, AI agent developer, LLM application developer, and AI technical project lead. So this is where you don't just use AI, you build systems that run on AI. So alright, let's get started. First, what exactly is artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence is basically the science of making machines, well, less machine-like. And AI systems learn patterns, make decisions, solve problems, and sometimes even argue with you, like your best friend. Under the hood, AI is powered by machine learning, deep learning, cognitive learning, and all the cool stuff our playlist covers in detail. But don't worry, today we are keeping it simple. So, if traditional programming is like giving a machine a recipe, AI is teaching the machine how to cook by letting it watch thousands of cooking videos on YouTube. Now, there's generative AI, or as I call it, AI with creativity mode on. So, what is generative AI? Generative AI is a part of AI that can create things like text, images, videos, code, music, designs, website, memes, basically everything except excuses for not doing it your work. And it uses something like large language models or LLMs trained on massive amounts of data so that they can predict, generate, and improvise like digital artists. So today you might have heard of ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Midjourney, or DALL-E. So these are all GenAI models. And the crazy part, they aren't just repeating stuff they saw. They are generating new content based on patterns that they have learned. Think of it like this. So if Google search gives you information, generative AI gives you creation. Now, what can GenAI actually do? So it can do a lot of things for you. So let me run through some of the biggest real world applications. So first we have content creations. So you can create blog posts, scripts, social media posts and ad copies. Also Gen AI reduces your blank page panic to zero. Second is programming assistance. So to do tools like GitHub, Copilot, and ChatGPT can write code, debug, and explain algorithms. We even have full videos on Java games, C games, Angular apps, Spring Boot apps, and REST API. So trust me, even experienced developers secretly use AI now. Third is our automation and workflows. Customer queries, reports, data entry, GenAI tools can automate all the boring stuff. Fourth is design and creativity. So logos, UI concepts, posters, YouTube thumbnails, you name it. And our fifth is education and learning. So personalized tutors, quiz generators, explainer tools. Imagine studying with someone who never gets tired and never judges you. And our sixth, AI agents. These are autonomous mini employees. They search, summarize, plan, write, automate, and they don't even ask for a lunch break. And this is just scratching the surface. Our playlist goes way deeper into all these applications. So why GenAI actually matters? So Gen AI is not a trend. It's the next internet, the next smartphone, the next if you don't learn it, your future boss will definitely will. And here's the hard truth. Every domain, whether it is tech, finance, marketing, healthcare, HR, design, is being reshaped with Gen AI. And the good news, people who learn Gen AI early become 10x more productive than everyone else. And the even better news, NIIT already built the full guide for you. So don't waste time hopping between random tutorials online. So what you'll learn in NIIT's Gen AI playlist. So alright, here's the exciting part. If this video is your overview, the playlist is your entire roadmap. So here's what inside. First, we have the Gen AI fundamentals. So you will understand concepts like what is AI, how AI works under the hood, what makes Gen AI different, and machine learning, deep learning, and cognitive learning explained simply. Second, we also have prompt engineering mastery. So this is the skill and the most important skill of Gen AI. And you'll learn prompt frameworks, refinement techniques, modifier, scenarios, and how to control outputs. Basically, how to talk to AI so it listens unlike your best friend, right? And third is programming with AI. So you'll build projects using Java, C, JavaScript, Angular, Spring Boot, Node.js, Express.js, and all the other AI tools by your side. Fourth is our GitHub Copilot. So it's basically write code faster than ever. And yes, even that complicated assignment that you have to do. And fifth, using ChatGPT for everything. Web apps, REST APIs, competitive programming, mock interviews, debugging, learning new languages, we have covered it all. Our sixth is Gen AI tools. So we have different APIs and frameworks. Basically, you'll discover tools that professionals use to build AI systems. Then we have also discussed the limitations and ethics because with great power comes great responsibility and also the occasional hallucination for your AI model. And eighth, we also have the AI applications in every domain, whether it could be healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, education, marketing. If there's a domain, we'll have a use case for it. So these are all the real skills that you gained after watching the course. So you have your application development, your prompt engineering, your workflow automation, your LLM integration, and these are the metrics that I have assigned for you. And if you want to learn Gen AI in a structured way, become job ready, understand concepts from beginner to advanced, build real projects, and be the AI person in your company, then this playlist is your golden ticket. We didn't just make random videos, we created an end to end Gen AI learning path that takes you from what is AI to building applications with Copilot and LLMs. And trust me, once you start, you won't stop. So, if you find this overview helpful, imagine what you'll learn in the complete series. So, the link to the full playlist right now is below this video. So, click it, save it, binge watch it, take notes, show your manager, show your pets, and just don't ignore it because Gen AI isn't the future, it's the present, and you should be the part of it. And I'll see you inside the playlist, and trust me, we are just getting started. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and stay ahead. This is NIIT signing off. Thank you so much.